Lake Titicaca is often said to mean rock of the puma. Now, the basin has been inhabited for thousands of years by groups including the Aymara and Quechua peoples, each with their own names and their own interpretations of the lake. One explanation links the name to the shape of the lake. From above, many local traditions can see the outline of the lake as a puma chasing a rabbit. And that's important because in Andean cosmology, the puma is one of the most sacred animals. Now, for the Inca, the puma represented strength, vitality, and the earthly world, one of a triad of sacred animals alongside the condor of the sky and the serpent of the underworld. Cusco itself, the Inca capital, was said to have been laid out in the shape of a puma. Connecting the Great Lake to this animal gave it deep symbolic weight in indigenous cosmology. So when we hear Titi as puma, it's not just about how it looks, it also ties into the landscape of the spiritual map of the Andean world. But in Aymara, Titi can also mean lead or heavy metal, and caca can mean grey or rock. Even today, the names vary. In Bolivia, the smaller southeastern section is called Lago Viña the Eternal City, while the larger body is called Lago Chucuito. In Peru, they're often called Lago Grande and Lago Pequeño, which means big lake and little lake. In other words, Titicaca is not a single translation, but the product of centuries of linguistic evolution and cultural symbolism and indigenous cosmology all layered in to two words.